Hi everyone! Welcome to Bonza Brain. Learn English the fun and easy way. Today we're learning what is a question. A question is a sentence we use to ask for information or to know something. It usually ends with a question mark. Let's look at some examples and their meanings. 1. What is your name? We ask this to know someone's name. Example answer: My name is Alex. 2. How are you? We use this to ask about someone's feelings or health. Example answer: I'm fine, thank you. 3. Where do you live? This means we want to know the place or city where someone lives. Example answer: I live in Adelaide. 4. Do you like music? This is a yes or no question. It means, are you interested in music? Example answer: yes, I do. Or no, I don't. 5. Is it raining? We ask this to know if rain is falling now. Example answer: yes, it is. Or no, it isn't. 6. What are you doing? This means we want to know the action happening now. Example answer: I am studying English. 7. How old are you? We ask this to know someone's age. Example answer: I am 25 years old. So remember, a question helps us get information, start a conversation, learn about people and the world, soft out raw music, keep asking questions. It's the best way to learn English faster. Thanks for watching Bonza Brain. Follow for more easy English every day.